Communist Party of India Marxists holds ground in one seat. Tall leader sees defeat. This is a news item in Deccan Herald dated 25th October 2019. The news was sent by Mrutyunjay Bose of the DHNS, Deccan Herald News Service. The Communist Party of India Marxist managed to retain one seat in the Maharashtra Assembly elections held in 2019, but its veteran tribal leader Jiva Pandu Gavit lost the polls. CPI M candidate Comrade Vinod Nikole won the Dahanu seat reserved for scheduled tribes in Palghar district by a margin of 4,742 votes. Nikole polled 72,068 votes, defeating the sitting BJP MLA Pascal Dhanare, who polled 67,326 votes. Candidates of MNS, BSP, Vanchit Aghadi, Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi, and some independents were also in the fray, but all got minuscule votes. Nikole is a 43-year-old Adivasi leader from a poor peasant family. He is a member of the CPI M Maharashtra State Committee, who has been a full-time party member for the last 15 years. He is the State Secretary and Thane Palghar District Secretary of the Center of Indian Trade Unions, CITU. He was a member of the Democratic Youth Federation of India, DYFI, State Committee till he was relieved earlier this year in the state conference. He was among the 40,000 peasants who walked the entire 200-kilometer route of the AIKS-led Kisan Long March from Nashik to Mumbai in March 2018, which was led by AIKS chief Dr. Ashok Dhawale. This is the 9th time the CPI-M has won the Dahanu, which was earlier known as Jawhar, seat since 1978. It was only once in 2014 that we lost it, but it has now been regained to the joy and ecstasy of all our comrades, said Dhawale. However, Gavit, who is one of the senior Maharashtra legislators, lost the election from Kalwan ST seat in Nashik district. In Solapur City Central, veteran Congress leader and ex-Chief Minister Sushil Kumar Shinde's daughter Praniti Shinde defeated two-time MLA of the CPI M, Narsaiah Adam.